happening.
I love Fleetwood Mac nowadays.
I love Fleetwood Mac.
They're coming up. Hey guys, I got 2 teams up. Hey guys, I got.
My opinion, just landing right here. Down. I downed one! Let's go! Woohoo! Hey there, everybody. I know you want to get to know me, so let's get right to it. My name is Zach Pisano. I go by Just Zach on Twitch, and I am absolutely grateful, thankful, and blessed to be a part of this Phase 5 opportunity. So let's get right into it, guys. What am I passionate about? Well, the main thing I'm passionate about is helping people. Actually, that is what I do for my 2 other jobs that I hold. Other than streaming, I have 2 other part-time jobs. One of them being I help people with cerebral palsy and autism, mostly on the autism spectrum. So I go into people's homes, I help take care of their kids, and it's just a blessing that I get to go and I get to inspire people and I get to just be by people's sides, helping them through life and teaching them and helping them grow, helping them learn. And even one of my clients, he loves video games, and so motivating him towards possibly even trying to stream. I know he said he might want to do a YouTube channel, and so helping people. Whether it's helping people in my own community find their own gaming rig or find their favorite community or find something that motivates them in life. That is absolutely 100% why I do what I do. That's what I'm most passionate about, is helping people. Number 2, what currently inspires me, or who does? My mom. I'm just gonna be honest. My mom is the biggest inspiration in my life. Ever since my parents got divorced when I was young, my mom worked multiple jobs to help support my sister and I, but she was always there. She was always there for all my sporting activities. She was always pushing me to be the best I could possibly be. And even now, to this day, I'm 24. I call my mom up and she asks me like how I'm doing with streaming, what I love to do, and what I want to turn into my full-time job someday, my full-time career. She always asks what I'm doing to better myself, and how I'm taking steps to make this into my dream, make this dream into reality. So she's the biggest inspiration. She's stuck by me through this, even when people have told me I'm stupid, I'm crazy, and this is just a waste of time. My mom has been there through it all. So she is the biggest inspiration in my life, bar none. How long have I been creating content? Well, I've been creating content on Twitch at least, clicking that start streaming button for about a year and a half now. And then I actually, probably within the last 6 or 7 months, just started getting into like the Twitter and the YouTube game, and actually getting better at that. So it's been a blast learning and growing on those stages, and that's about what I can say about that. Been about a year and a half, and a great year and a half. Built a great, fantastic community. We were known as the Just League. I go by Just Zach on Twitch, and it's a fantastic place. It's a community full of super hype individuals from all over the world that just are looking for something different, something new, something a little fresh, and I feel like I bring all that to the table. A little bit of hype, a little bit of energy, even early on in the morning or late at night. People can start their day or end their day with a little bit of me. So that's what I love doing, and I've been creating content for about that long. What are my talents, and what am I most proud of and excited to share? Well, one of the things when it comes to streaming, I'm a really good talker. As you can see, I love talking, I love communicating, and so that's a big thing with my chat. My chat knows that even when I'm playing video games, I will always be talking with them. Like, even if I'm in the just chatting category or I'm in the gaming category, I'm always talking to them or always talking about them or with them or around them. And so creating a conversation is just one of the biggest things. I guess going along with talking is commentating and casting, taking the left side, he's gonna find an angle, he's gonna push, he's gonna get a headshot, and he goes down. That is the winner right there. And so like doing things like that, is one of my favorite things to do. I love shoutcasting and commentating. I actually do it for local esports tournaments and competitions, and I have before. I actually signed up as well to hopefully be a Twitch Rivals commentator in the future, but I mean, nothing's turned up yet. They got my name, but we'll see what happens. I love commentating and casting. And I guess last of all, health and wellness. That's another really big thing and something I'm really knowledgeable about. That's what I got my degree in. I went to college, got my degree in fitness, health, and wellness. So when it comes to you guys, you know, wanting to get a little big, just let me know, man. Reach out to me, whether you be a FaZe member and I am as well, or even if I'm not and you are, like, reach out, let me know. I would love to help you guys get a little bit fit. Get a little bigger, a little beefier, you know, put on a little muscle mass. Nick Merckx, I'm looking at you, bro. I mean, like, if you want to look like Nick, like, just hit me up. I got you guys. Lastly, why do I want to join FaZe Clan? Well, it all goes back to this saying that we had when I was in a fraternity in college. And no, it's not one of those cookie cutter and those media style fraternities, not one of those. But the saying that we had is people join people, not organizations. I'm not looking to just join FaZe. I'm looking to join the people in FaZe. You guys who make FaZe what it is. You guys who make FaZe the place that everybody wants to go. You guys that make FaZe the super hype and family oriented and one of the most well-known esports or competitive companies in the world. So you guys are what people strive to be. What people, even before Phase 5, they try to become fake members of you just to feel like they're a part of something that's so much bigger than themselves. And so a big thing with joining FaZe Clan is just showing people that, hey, the little guy can do it. Even when, you know, he can't hit the nastiest trick shot out of all, that FaZe has got, that got guys and girls from all over the world, and from all walks of life that do all these great things, and that the little guy can become a part of that. So that's kind of a big thing. But I just want to say thank you guys for doing this. This is an opportunity that is once in a lifetime for some people, that they get to do this. They get to be blessed with something as great as this. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much. FaZe Up.
Coming up.
Right.
Coming.
Got a shot. Yep. Huh? Well, finish him. Do it, brother!
Let's go, baby! Woo! All right, Zach, jump out the window, snipe him. Yeah. I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Oh, I got other guy in the house behind me. Shot you in the face, Artemis. There's a guy right above me.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go! Get down, Trey!
RIP to you.
Sorry.
Well, he's looking up at me. He's down. Downed him. Oh no, car. Get up, plane, son! I'm a freaking monster. top of green. They're looking at you right now. One's down. Another guy down. Oh, I see the other kid. Dead.
Good job.
No, he didn't. I got this hill in my way. I missed my shot, bro. I downed him, though.
Healing up.
I downed the guy. I killed him.
Where are they?
Right here at this tree. Downed another one.